Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove passwords in your Brave browser. So once you're inside the Brave browser, click three lines in the upper right hand side, also known as the burger menu, then click on settings. Now you want to look towards the left hand menu and you will find autofill and passwords. Click on that. Then click on the password manager. Now here you will find all of those passwords that you have. And in order to delete or remove any one of those passwords, all you have to do is just simply click on that option and it will trigger you for it will ask you to enter your Windows password because it requires administrative privilege. So simply go ahead and enter your Windows password, and once you do, click on OK. Now you'll have the option to view it, to change it. Now you'll have the option to edit it and even to delete it. And if you want to delete it, you can simply go ahead and hit the delete button, or edit, you can basically edit it and change whatever you want. But the purpose is to delete, so hit the delete button and that's it. Very easy and very simple.